Hello, I'm going to explain what's going to be due for the week of March 28th through April 4th. First, you would need to read this document here. It explains the research assignment. It delineates everything that must be part of the research paper. The research paper will take longer than any other paper that we have done thus far. So please take some time in reading this. It will explain that it is an argumentative essay. It will explain that you have to have 5 to 8 sources, and only 2 of those 5 to 8 sources can be from the internet. I suggest that this week you spend some time finding sources to use for your argument. You will choose a controversial issue. Again, this is all explained in this. You also need to read the chapter on the argumentative essay, which is pages 147 through 176 of the Concise Guide. Like before, you will do all the invention exercises from 169 to 176. You will turn those in to the drop box. Also, there's an explanation of what a thesis is in these 2 multimedia presentations. It's also a PowerPoint on the argumentative essay. After you have visited all of these multimedia PowerPoints, etc., you will take a thesis test. Submit that also to the Dropbox. Also, there's an argumentative quiz or a quiz on the argumentative essay, which is right here. That will be also dropped into the Dropbox. The fourth thing you need to do is to choose your topic and write a thesis statement. The blog is here. It's a TED presentation. You will not be doing a journal. Matter of fact, after this week, there will be no blog or journal entries. So the bottom line is you need to do the blog, the invention exercises 169 through 176. You need to take the theses test here. There's a quiz on the reading, and you also have to submit your topic and thesis statement. Again, I suggest that you spend some time just finding sources for your paper. Next week, you will be actually starting the first paragraph of the argumentative essay, writing an outline, and you'll be writing a precis for your sources. I'll explain that next week. The other thing I want you to know is that I've opened up all of the different weeks. You have access from this week until April 18th. So if you want to get ahead, this is your chance to do so. That's about it. Today is Sunday, so I've corrected everything that I've received up to today. And so check the grade center to make sure that I've entered your grades. And other than that, everything is explained in all of these different documents, multimedia presentations, the blog, etc. So there shouldn't be any problem. Have a good week.